Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to give one more information about the university, that is Bangalore City University, to be renamed as the Dr. Manmohan Singh Bengaluru University, honoring the former Prime Minister legacy. So, Bangalore City University renamed as a Dr. Manmohan Singh Bengaluru University. Dr. Manmohan Singh Bengaluru University, honoring the former Prime Minister legacy. To honor his former Prime Minister legacy, we have to take this one. So, what is that? Once you have to see Bangalore City University to be renamed after Dr. Manmohan Singh name. So, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced during his budget speech in the Legislative Assembly that Bangalore City University will be renamed Dr. Manmohan Singh Bengaluru City University in honor of the former Prime Minister of India who passed away February 26, 2024. In the 2025. So this is 2025. The recently died the February 26, 2025. So the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced during his budget speech in the Legislative Assembly that Bangalore City University will be honored. So will 2024 February 26, 2024 we have to take this one. So right, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced during his budget speech in the Legislative Assembly that Bangalore City University will be renamed Dr. Manmohan Singh. Maybe this February, not February, some mismatch is there. We have to check it. This one we have to check when Dr. Manmohan Singh is died. So once you have to check. Dr. Manmohan Singh, India's 13th Prime Minister, was known for his role in economic liberalization and financial reforms, which played a crucial part in shaping modern India economy. Clear? So please remember which university? Bangalore City University renamed as a Dr. Manmohan Singh Bengaluru University. Dr. Manmohan Singh Bengaluru University, by honoring his legacy, so they kept his name. So thank you so much. Please listen and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.